What's up, everyone? Different video today, completely different, because last Monday I hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel. I never thought I'd even get that high, honestly, having done this for like 6 years now. Never thought I'd make it to 1,000 subs. And unbelievably enough with that, I'm actually the very first recipient to get the YouTube 1,000 subscriber play button. Now, normally you only get these for 100,000 and 1 million, but I got this box just now, and I know it's the button, and I'm just so excited to see the button. Oh my god. I can't imagine how they would do this for 1,000 subscribers, considering how many people have that achievement. So, let's crack this thing open, and let's see exactly what's inside. Now, I've already cracked the tape on this, because I thought this was actually a different purchase I made on Amazon last night. But this is a happy surprise too. So I haven't gone past the tape yet. So let's crack it open. Let's find out together what is inside here. Man, I do not know how they do this. This thing must be freaking enormous. Like, just look at this. Oh my god. Okay, let's get the foam out of the way. Oh my god! Are you freaking kidding me? A cardboard play button? Look at this. What does this even say? Let's do a present here. Presented to Litterix 2015 for passing 1,000 subscribers. Sub view rate 2.8%. Am I a joke to you? Shut up. Unbelievable. A cardboard play button. You know what? Joke's on you. I'm keeping this. I'm going to hang it on my wall. This is a badge of honor, regardless of how the flimsy it is and the horrible hot glue job. And my god, somebody doesn't know how to cut a straight line. But you know what? I'm keeping this. 1,000 subscriber play button. Represent! This is a big achievement for anybody, and I'm proud of it. Goddamn duct tape. Yeah, there we go. And a duct tape on the play button too. Look at that. Look at that. Well, there we go. I got the 1,000 subscriber play button from YouTube. And, well, I don't even know if this is from YouTube. You know what? I have a 1,000 subscriber play button, and that's all that matters. Well, there we go, guys. So, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Especially hit that sub button. And let's see what we get when we get to 10,000 subscribers, because God knows there's probably a different prize for that achievement. God, I hope there is. And I hope it's not made out of cardboard. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye. Unbelievable. A cardboard play button. Have you seen this over here? It's unfreaking real.